glow up? For your phone? With Verizon, everyone gets a free phone on any plan. And now I have Google Gemini.
Here's another beauty tip.
Shh, let's keep this between us. Get in on this.
The mountain is calling.
Give me the sunshine, give me a tune. Give me
Hit it, kid.
Woo! Boost Mobile has the new iPhone 16e. It lets you clean up photos with Apple Intelligence.
Give us the phone back.
Get the new iPhone 16e for $49.99 when you switch. Visit your nearest Boost Mobile store.
¿Has oído hablar del estrés tóxico? Se puede desarrollar en personas que viven traumas de niños y no reciben el apoyo necesario. Entonces, cuando ellos tienen hijos, se les puede hacer difícil ser los padres que quieren ser.
Aprende más en first5california.com.
Big day, everybody! That's the spirit. We're having lots of fun.
What's going on?
Oh, the Homes.com network just hit 100 million visitors.
Yeah, we get that every month.
Party every month, everybody! I don't know how to change the song on this. Homes.com, the place to find a place.
At Domino's, we don't think paying around $6.99 for a burger adds up. Because you can pick 2 medium, 2-topping pizzas for only $6.99 each. And that adds up to a whole lot more. Pick 2 medium, 2-topping pizzas for just $6.99 each, only at Domino's.
Hit it, kid.
Woo! Boost Mobile has the new iPhone 16e. It lets you clean up photos with Apple Intelligence.
Give us the phone back.
Get the new iPhone 16e for $49.99 when you switch. Visit your nearest Boost Mobile store.
Amazon Fire TV has so many great recommendations.
It's like it knows what we want to watch before we do.
Found this ancient book in the attic.
Oh, how about elves?
Vegetaria, Foresteria.
Oh, elves.
This is so good.
Fire TV makes it easy.
Paterluponius?
Anyone else in here kind of warm?
Get into more of what you're into with Fire TV.
Another episode?